Save Girl Child. Children are the most beautiful creations of God. Without equal involvement of men and women, human life on earth is unsustainable. All people in our country are treated equally. We must save girls in order to save a life on earth. In many areas of our nation, attention to the challenges that girls around the world experience. The day organizes awareness programs to save girl child. Education is required for job. The International Day of the Girl Child, established in 2012 by the UN General Assembly, focuses on a variety of topics. Kill or about girl children. The life of the girl kid can be improved by education. The most effective instrument for the current generation is education. The National Girl Child Day is observed in India on January 24 in the year 2008. The Government of India and the Ministry of Women and Child Development established the day. Promote girl education to save girl children. The Beti Padhao Beti Bachao scheme was launched by the Indian government to increase public awareness. The government makes every effort to spread the message that females are God's gift to the world, but some people find it difficult to understand it. In order to prevent abortions of girls, the Indian government prohibited the use of ultrasonography or any other method to determine the gender of a child. The delivery of an infant was also impacted by financial circumstances. Women's condition can be improved by education because it helps them become financially independent. The dowry system is another factor. For their wedding, they are all expecting a significant dowry from the daughter's side. Parents of girls are under a lot of pressure, which is also the cause of girls' death. The government implements new policies to protect girls in order to guarantee equal rights and opportunities for women in society. Based on the needs of the family, the Balika Samriddhi Yojana is a scholarship program that assists in giving adolescent girls and their moms financial support. Women who are educated are better able to make wise judgment, minimize gender violence, have favor children, etc. Education provides the way to success and opens up better opportunity in life. Girl contributes in national development on an equal basis with boys.